Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And one of the things that we're seeing more and more is people being forced updated to 25H2. And it's actually on some blog posts where people are just saying, I, shut down my PC. I took the PC, turned on the PC the next day. There was an update, and whoopee, I was on 25H2 without asking for it. So it does seem like Microsoft is confident enough to say that, hey, yeah, let's go to 25H2. It's all right. It works fine for everybody. Although it is a very minor update, it is kind of funny that Microsoft is pushing 25H2 so fast at the beginning of its feature release. So this is very interesting. I guess maybe they're saying, well, there's really nothing much different. It wouldn't hurt to do it. Of course, they have all the telemetry behind the Windows systems that probably upgrade. But even some users that were stuck at 23H2, when some of the blockers were removed, were surprised to see that they didn't go to 24H2. They were directly pushed to 25H2 also. So I want to hear from all of you out there. Are you one of those that just like this, without doing anything, at some point had an update and you were at 25H2 from either 23H2 or 24H2 on your PC? I'd like to know, as it seems that more and more people are saying, yep, I've been pushed without asking for it. So, especially when you think that 24H2 is still good for a year, and that maybe some people would like to stay there if their PC works fine. It's interesting to see that already some are being moved on to 25H2. So let me know. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.